Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Multivac in a separate video because I do see people being skeptical of this crypto, and you should be, obviously. This is a low cap crypto, $22 million in this market cap. So that is low. It's ranked 786 on the coin market cap with a price of 0.006 cents. The circulating supply is 3.5 billion coins. So this is actually a project with a lot of potential. They need more marketing. They need their mainnet launch. They need stuff to get going. They did update their roadmap on their website. So I will have a link to their website in the description. And also I did catch a very interesting interview with them, a YouTube interview. And I'm going to have that linked in the description so you can go and watch that. It's an hour long. It is very it does show that the team is actually passionate. They seem like genuine good people, and I personally don't think this is a scam. They just need more time to work on their project, and that's so this is the risk of it. If you do invest money in this, it can all come back, bite you in the ass, and it turns out it's a scam. But you should look at the fundamentals to work out if it's a great project. I do think this is a hidden gem, to be honest with you. This is a hidden gem for me. And this project can skyrocket with the proper marketing and with the proper measures taken and proper events on the way. So do take a look at their roadmap, do take a look at their website, and do listen to that interview. And they do actually sneeze through the interview occasionally, which is a bit funny. I did find that odd, but that has nothing to do with what we're talking about here. I don't know why I mentioned that, but you can get this coin on KuCoin. That is their biggest exchange that they have been listed on. So let's jump into the charts, guys. Let's jump into this chart. So we are on the daily currently. So I did give you these levels, guys, to enter. I did give you these levels to enter, didn't I, in our last update? So if you got on these entry levels, then you would have been in profit already. And if you got in anywhere below, because we did have our buy zone here, and we didn't get there, unfortunately. We are still looking for that daily EMA retest on the 20 EMA. That is on the cards. So on the daily, we are kind of making higher highs. We have 3 bullish days, 1 bearish day, 2 bullish days, 1 bearish day. So this is normal. This is normal for a crypto like this because the price is very volatile. Let's jump into the 4-hour charts to get a better idea of what's going on. So a lot of people on this channel are involved with Multivac, and you do have all of these levels. So I'm going to remove some of them because I do think that we won't be coming back to these levels anytime soon, if ever. So these are the breakdown. The lowest breakdown targets that I have for you guys is the 0.035 cents. This is the lowest that I think we can go because this would mean that we would drop drastically if Bitcoin completely shits the bed. That is when we are coming back to these targets over here, guys. But we are looking to retest on the daily 20 EMA. We are looking to retest off of this 55 EMA potentially, guys. That is something that's on the cards because you can see that we are wicking down, and we have been in a downtrend for a bit on the 4-hourly. So we'll see where we close on this candle over here because we can come back down and test this 0.054 level. So a good buying opportunity right now, what would it be, guys? So I would say we are gonna bring up the fib as well right now, but I would say anywhere in here is a good buying opportunity. This is a large zone, I do know that, but this is going to be a very good buying opportunity, guys. So you want to take advantage of this because if we do break down, you can buy over here. So this is from 0.054 cents to 0.041 cents. This is the area that you want to be buying and accumulating more because we don't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. We are having a bit of a consolidation level right now. And, we can just pick up our pace and bounce off the 20 EMA and break new all-time highs. So we did actually peak out on the 007 level. And the way this coin has performed since we started talking about it on this channel is just incredible, guys. So anyone who got in, congratulations, guys. You should have made, 2 to 3x or maybe even 4x right now. So my hat's off to you guys for getting involved with this project. Now, let's throw the fib retracement on because that will tell us what we are looking at. So swing low to swing high. So as you can see, the price is hovering above the 0.382 fib level. It's testing the 0.236 level. And what I would say is probably going to happen is we're going to come back and test the 0.5 level. On the EMA retest, it perfectly lines up with the 55 EMA retest on the 4 hourly. I think that would be a great entry point. So do target this. Another support line added in right there, guys, because that is something that you do want to target. I want to give you all the targets. There are a lot of targets in here. I know it can get a bit confusing, but they are very important for you guys because this is gonna let you get in at the best level possible. So what I would do, for example, if I did have $100 right now and I wanted to invest in this crypto, what I would do is I would put $25 at a buying level on the 55 EMA on the 4-hour chart. I would put $25 on the daily 20 EMA retest. I would put $25 on the 0.618 level, because we are gonna come back down a bit with this crypto after this huge impulsive move, and we should cool off a bit, and that would mean that we would drag the 20 EMA down a bit, but potentially what we could do is come back down, test these levels because that's not completely off the cards, and we would get an EMA retest just like we got over here. So the 20 EMA comes back down, the 55 EMA catches up a bit, and they retest each other, and they just spring, and the 20 EMA springs up and drags the price up with it. So that is something that we are potentially looking at, guys. I do thank you for all your comments about your cryptos and thanking me in general for making these videos. It is good. I am very appreciative of all of this because if I manage to help at least one of you per video, then I consider my job done. So like I said, guys, test these EMAs, test these support levels, and test these fib levels. I know it's a lot. It can be a bit distracting, but you do have your 0.5 level, you do have your 0.618 level that you want to possibly bounce off for another impulsive wave, because that is not off the cards. So get your fib up, set it up from the top, from the bottom to the top of the impulsive wave. What you can also do is on the shorter time frame, if you want to get in right now, or you don't want to wait for a couple of days. So from this move over here, from this bottom of the impulsive wave, move all the way to the top of it, and we do zoom in a bit, and we can see that for now we are in between the 0.5 and the 0.618 levels. So this is, if you want to get on a shorter time frame, then this would be a good level for now, but I wouldn't recommend it, guys. Honestly wouldn't. Not financial advice. But if you are looking to invest in this crypto long term, then do just dollar cost average. So put in $100 now, put in $100 on a dip. Then once we get another dip, throw in another $100 in there. So that is the strategies that a lot of people use, and they are very successful with it. So do target these levels, guys. And like I said, draw this out on your chart. Have these 20 and 55 EMAs up. They're very good support and resistance levels for us to keep an eye on, and target the 0.618 and the 0.5 on this larger fib extension from this down move. So yes, guys, do let me know if this is a bit messy on the charts. I do know it is a bit messy with all these resistance and support lines, but you do want to have them on because they are very, very important, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Expect the Telegram chat to go live very soon. Do join in. We're going to talk a lot in there. We're going to share some live trades. I'm going to share my trades with you guys if I do end up getting into a trade. on a short term or a mid-term time frame. So we'll see, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't want to drag this video for too long. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.